Are your sunroom windows looking cloudy, streaky, or covered in dust? Whether it's fingerprints inside or dirt and water spots outside, dirty windows can make your sunroom feel dull and uninviting. But don't worry, cleaning them doesn't have to be a hassle. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to clean both the inside and outside of your sunroom windows for a crystal clear, streak-free finish. Keeping your sunroom windows clean is about more than just looks. Clean glass allows more natural light to brighten your space, prevents grime buildup, and even extends the life of your windows. But if you're using the wrong tools or techniques, you might be left with frustrating streaks or missed spots. That's why in this video, I'm breaking it down step by step so you can get spotless windows inside and out with minimal effort. Before we get started, let's talk about the tools and supplies that will make the job easier. First is a glass cleaner or a DIY vinegar solution. Store-bought works great, but a mix of vinegar and water is an easy, eco-friendly option, and that's what we're going to use today. Next is microfiber cloths. These are best for streak-free cleaning, and you'll want two of them, one for dry and one for wet. You'll also want a squeegee if you want a perfect finish. This tool is a game changer. You can also use a soft bristle brush and some mild dish soap. This is mostly going to be used for screens and the framing, so we won't do that part today. Next, especially if you have a tall sunroom, you're going to want an extension pole and a bucket to help keep everything clean. All right, let's head over to our glass and I'll show you how to clean these windows. All right, here at our sunroom door, you can see how smudged up it is from kids, dogs, dirt, any of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you how to clean this, and we're working on the outside of the glass, but you would do the same thing on the inside. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is take a dry microfiber and you're just gonna wipe down, make sure there's no loose dirt, dust, leaves, twigs, cobwebs, any of that. If you have cobwebs stuck down in the door track or a window track, I would get a vacuum, shop vac, and just sweep those out so they're out of the way. Next, you're gonna take your cleaning solution and your wet microfiber, and you're just going to spray. And wipe in nice even strokes. Then you wanna come back and do some circles. And that will help get rid of the streaks that you'll see. And you can do this a couple ways. You can either rub until it's dry and you can see the streaks go away. If you're left with streaks, you can respray, grab your squeegee, and you're gonna start at the top and go down in long, even strokes, all the way to the bottom. Wipe your squeegee off and start again. All the way down. And then come back in with a dry microfiber. If you've got any other parts that you can see streaks on, just buff them out. And there you go. Want an even better clean with less effort? Here's a couple extra pro tips. 1, clean on a cloudy day. Sunlight dries liquids too fast, which leaves streaks and water spots. 2, you can also use distilled water, which you can get from most grocery stores, because tap water often has minerals that leave a residue. Number 3, avoid paper towels. They leave lint behind and microfiber cloths work best. Number 4, clean your sunroom roof and gutters first. Dirt from above can wash down and dirty your windows again, and you don't want your gutters to get full of leaves and debris or they'll overflow and all of that water is just gonna end up right on your clean windows. And number 5, use an extension pole, which is a lot easier than working with a ladder so you can move around your room. So, how often should you be doing this? Here's a simple cleaning schedule to keep your windows looking great all year long. For weekly cleaning, just do a quick dusting with a microfiber cloth. For monthly cleaning, deep clean the glass, the frames, and the tracks. And seasonally, do a full wash, including the exterior cleaning and the screen maintenance. And that's it! With these steps, your sunroom windows will be sparkling clean in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. And if you have a favorite window cleaning hack, drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear it.